Cadets Training Lab, which offers...
You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission control to X-2. You are go at throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now.
Pilot.
Computer override initiated. Commander, initiate flight sequence.
Matthew, press the
now.
Computer override initiated.
Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now.
Initiated.
Engineer, activate flight cameras.
Come on,
now.
engineer.
Initiated.
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X-2, just launched from the Pacific. China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Navigator, initiate descent. Now.
Clock expired.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Wings extended.
We lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
That one on the right.
Computer override activated.
Pull right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
They're coming in too hot.
Pull back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back.
I don't know. Go on then.
That's an okay size, isn't it? It's not so big. So what they do, you get the big one.